If you're considering buying Innago for property management, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. We'll cover what makes it stand out and how it compares to its competitors, so stay tuned. The first thing you'll notice is that Innago is known for its simplicity. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those with little tech experience. Unlike other platforms that can overwhelm you with features, Innago keeps things straightforward. You can easily track rent payments, manage maintenance requests, and even handle leasing, all without a steep learning curve. Next thing to know is that it offers a free tier, which is rare in property management software. For small property owners with only a few units, this could be a game changer. While competitors like AppFolio and Buildium require paid plans for basic features, Innago gives you a lot of functionality without any upfront cost. The third thing is its tenant portal. This is a standout feature because it's fully customizable, allowing you to add your branding. This sets it apart from platforms like Rentec Direct, which have less flexibility in this area. Your tenants will appreciate being able to pay rent online, request maintenance, and view their lease agreements with ease. The fourth thing to know is that Innago offers automated late fee management. This can save you time and prevent awkward conversations with tenants about overdue rent. Many competitors require manual input for this feature, but Innago handles it automatically, streamlining your workflow. Next, Innago provides powerful reporting tools. It offers everything from profit and loss statements to tax summaries, giving you the financial insights you need. While platforms like Propertyware also offer reporting, Innago's reporting system is particularly easy to navigate for newcomers. The sixth thing to keep in mind is that Innago integrates with a range of third-party apps, including QuickBooks and Stripe. This helps you manage your business more effectively by connecting all your tools. Other software options, like Tenant Cloud, might have more integrations, but Innago offers solid choices for those looking to streamline processes. The seventh point is that Innago's support team is highly rated. They offer free phone and email support, which can be a lifesaver. In comparison, some of its competitors, like Buildium, charge extra for customer service beyond basic support, which can be frustrating if you need help fast. The eighth thing to consider is the mobile app. Innago's app allows both landlords and tenants to manage their accounts on the go. While not as feature-rich as some other apps, it does the job efficiently, which is more than what you can say about the mobile apps from some of its competitors. Next thing to know is its ease of use with property listing management. You can advertise your vacancies directly to popular listing sites like Zillow, Craigslist, and Apartments.com without any extra effort. Other property management software might require additional steps to post listings, making Innago's process more convenient. The 10th thing is the rent collection system. Innago allows tenants to pay through ACH transfers or credit card payments, giving them flexibility. Some competitors may charge extra fees for credit card payments, but Innago keeps it transparent and simple without hidden costs. The 11th thing to consider is the scalability of Innago. While it's great for small landlords, it may not be the best solution for large property management firms. If you plan to expand, you might find more comprehensive options with Buildium or AppFolio, which offer more advanced features for large portfolios. Finally, Innago offers solid customization options when it comes to lease templates. You can tailor your documents to suit your needs, making it much easier to create legally compliant leases compared to other software with limited document customization features. In conclusion, Innago is a solid choice for landlords who want an affordable, simple, and effective property management solution, especially for small to medium-sized portfolios. However, if you're looking for a more robust solution with additional features, you might want to check out our recommended software, which you can try for free.